I like to touch it up.
I started recording as you said that. That was great.
Oh, really?
I don't know if it caught it all, but we'll see. But
Hopefully not. That's embarrassing.
that's fine. That'll be a clip that I just use against you.
Shannon's cars and wheels. We don't fuck shit up. We just get shit done.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another vlog today. And we, obviously, as you can tell, are in my car for the moment, but we are driving to go to one of my best mates' place named Shannon. Now, the reason why we're doing that today is because we're installing new mods today. It's not a major mod because they're kind of already installed. It's just more of a replacing per se. But yeah, we've got a cool box of stuff just there. So I won't spoil what it is just yet, even though the title probably will. Actually, yeah, title's probably spoiled it. But we're installing new suspension today. So new coilovers are going straight into the BMW. It's the first part of a few cool mods, but we needed to get it done because my rear lifters are currently leaking. So I was like, cool, let's replace everything. And they're getting a bit of a color change. So they look cooler slightly, but they're gonna look a lot cooler once everything's done. So stay tuned. Now, we need to go drive Shannon's. So let's go. What is up, guys? I have finally made it here to Shannon's place, aka the coolest place out, because he's got a shit ass massive garage with his own hoist and everything. And there's my car. So today we are putting in the suspension, which I'll show you over here real quick. Is our Maxpeedingrods suspension that I grabbed in super cool red color, because red is absolutely sexy. And hopefully the plan is to one day wrap this car red, hopefully, so that'll be kind of cool. But I thought I'd introduce you guys to Shannon, who's currently messing around in the boot. So this is from Shannon's Cars and Wheels.
Cars and Wheels.
Yeah, Shannon's Cars and Wheels. So he's gonna be popping up a lot on some of these videos because we're doing quite a few things together. Should
Yeah, alright, go on.
Okay, I'll show up.
Alright.
So Shannon also has a BMW. Now I've got my little E46. He has an E36 that's cooler than mine. But let me show you this.
A little bit cool.
Just a lot a bit cooler. Look at this thing right here. So this is his black on black soft top, might I add. Nice little soft top that needs a bit of a clean.
She needs a wash.
Yeah, she does. But still, black on black M3 E36 with a wide body kit. That's right, this thing is fat as. It's so good looking. I love it. It's not finished yet, obviously, but that is an up and coming project of Shannon's. Yes.
Ongoing project, let's put it that way.
Yeah, definitely ongoing project. Been going for a little while now. Flip that back.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, but that was gonna be the original start car to his YouTube channel, but it's slightly changed because he can't just stop working on it without recording. Because you literally like, I'm gonna record this, and then you're like, oh, I finished. Oh, I didn't hear record. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah,
That's
my bad. That's what happens when you get older. You forget shit quite quickly.
Not even old. It's just passion. You just start and you just don't want to stop.
That's it.
So there will be some other cars that we're planning to work on and put onto his channel that we have. Which, do you have a YouTube channel yet?
Yes, I do.
Awesome.
Shannons.car.and.wheels. Yes.
Shannon's
Cars and Wheels.
There'll be a link down.
There's a lot of dots in it.
It's fine. We'll get that fixed. He doesn't know how to YouTubes. He is a bit old.
Yes.
He knows how to Instas. Old. Yeah, he can Instas.
I can Instas. Check me out on Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram. I'll have a link to Instagram and YouTube down at the bottom there.
You'll see the last build that I did, which was my
oh yes,
Mighty Patrol.
Mighty Patrol, which is actually behind us down over there. That's pretty mint. But yeah, we're gonna be working together doing tons of stuff. But today it's focusing on the suspension in my car. So we have gotten it started so far. We've ripped out all the tires. We've ripped all the tires off and the wheels. So we can see that we learned something too. Not exactly on this one over here, but on the front here, I have got some nice little lip up here. Not good. Shannon told me I need to get new rotors, so that's fun. But we've just learned that it's gonna be really difficult getting into the rear of my car. And we also learned that there's a massive dent there where the wheel well is, caused by, I don't know what.
Bottoming out, probably.
That wouldn't have been my fault though. I'm a skilled driver.
Skilled driver?
Yeah, I don't do anything bad. Like, I don't do anything bad at all, or hurt my car in any way. Look at that fucking gash. Oh my god.
Blame mum.
Yeah, let's just blame someone else.
It's all on mum.
Mum did it, I swear. She drove my car.
She did it.
But yeah, so this is the plan for today. So we'll give you another update once we got a little bit more into it, but we're ripping out the old suspension, which I thought were BC coilovers. Turns out Yeah, there's some weird T&R brand, which we've never seen before and seems to be like an imitation brand. So yeah, so we're gonna swap them out for some Maxpeedingrods, which Maxpeedingrods, sorry, which are some pretty decent Coilover suspension. No, I didn't spend $15 bajillion on BCs, which I wanted to, but still, we'll see. Yeah, let's get into it.
Good on eBay.
Yeah.
Give eBay a plug. I love that.
eBay.
eBay.
Dude, imagine if we got sponsored by eBay.
I would love that. That would be,
You spend like all your money on eBay anyway.
Actually, yeah, I do. Yeah, I
literally
do.
do.
Spare parts from England, especially with working on BMWs, it's cheaper.
Yeah. Not at the moment, our dollar is terrible though.
Oh, what else have I got off eBay? Oh, jeez.
Everything?
Everything. Full body kits.
Did you get that? No, you got that Gumtree.
No, that was a Pickles buy, that one.
Pickles. Oh,
Yeah,
Pickles auction.
Yeah, there you go. There's another shameless plug.
Exactly. they need to sponsor us. This is
Yeah.
for free at the moment. Like
This
we
is
need
it,
to get them
this
to
is
pay
it.
for stuff.
Pickles, eBay, Max Beating. If you're watching this, show us the money.
Literally.
Literally.
We're happy to shout you out to
Yes.
our like threes of fans. Like
Put
honestly.
links in the description, for, you know. Get
And
on
then,
it.
and then we'll put your gear in our car, assuming you pay for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, happily. No worries.
Shameless plugs.
Shameless plugs.
All good.
We'll get that. But let's get cracking on the suspension. So a small update, just showing you the difference of old versus new right there. My lord, these things are so old. They've been in the car for far too long. Like, look at that ickiness. Ugh. Now look at the new one. That's way nicer. I also really like the red. I reckon it's gonna look good. Oh, big boy. So, we have just finished installing the rear suspension. Dirty AF as well, which is always good. But come take a look. So, down in here, I don't even know if the camera can see it. Yeah, it can. Look at that. Look at that nice red up in there. That beefy spring. These things are gonna be solid, so solid. So we dropped it and it basically didn't drop at all when we first let down the jack, getting it all installed. It's gonna be a lot better than the old suspension, that's for sure.
Rigid as fuck.
Yeah, we're being super rigid, as the other side as well. Got the nice red with the nice spring. Now it's time to do the fronts, which not looking forward to, but we'll get it done after we fix the boot too. Let's get this going. So, whilst doing the front suspension on the car, we noticed something very funny and stupid, but funny. So, this right here, right? This is new coilover, old coilover. But you see, this is actually going up on the left side of the car there. So we've set this to full camber. This was the way this other one was set. Now, the way that's set is for camber, like on the right, not on the left. So,
Positive, negative.
literally. So my car's tires, instead of being in like a triangle, I can't exactly do this. Yeah, like that. They were set up like this. So I had some interesting camber on my front tires that we never noticed. So that's gonna be fixed. But we thought we should let you know that because that was just incredibly funny to Shannon once he saw that. Look at that, and that's for the left side. Yeah, we set these to full camber as well. So we're gonna see how it sits full camber and then go from there. This is what it's currently looking like. Not under load, so we've got a bit of stance. But fully stance, man. So we're gonna see how this looks first, and then we'll decide on if we full camber or majoritively camber. So stay tuned. Oh, so we are finally finished. Oh, geez, that hand looks bad. We're finally finished installing all the suspension, and as Shannon was just saying, it is rigid AF. It is ridiculous, like legitimately. Like just watch this, right? Let's do the test, Shannon. The car is barely moving at all. This thing is rigid. I even had Shannon jumping in the boot of the car trying to do it, and that looked funny. But oh, down it goes. Oh my! And just check out, we also fixed the camber in the front, so it actually has proper camber now. Look at that. That's some sick camber. Stancy. Even the rear as well. Ugh. If you can even see it, oh my god. Don't think I can see it, it's too bright. Look down there. And that's the rear there. So, with the out with the old suspension, in with the new, this thing looks awesome stance-wise. And we're about to go take it for a drive and see just how good it is driving. Should be a lot better considering the interesting camber setup on the front that we found and fixed. Interesting to say the least. But it should be like a brand new car. So we're gonna jump in it and have some fun. Well, we've just come back from playing around with a test drive with the car, whoops. But yeah, we test drove the thing and it is freaking insane. It is rigid as, and it's awesome. And just the spring rating is completely different compared to the old ones. They were terrible. I didn't realize how bad they were until we literally just experienced the difference. It's insane. Even Shannon loves it. Absolutely loves it.
Stanced as.
Yeah.
Tight as.
Yeah, legitimately. It's ridiculous.
Race car ready.
Race ready, yeah. and lifts, the back lifts up when we try and get up the driveway here. It's ridiculous. So, you know, it's awesome. But that's gonna about end the video for today with this car. Come here, yeah, come here. Come join the end of the video. The puppy dog. Oh, I'm getting eaten. But that's gonna end today's video, guys. Please remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Check out Shannon. He's an absolute legend. Check out Shannon with Shannon's Cars and Tires. He is going to be showing up a lot more often. A lot more often now because we're going to be working on cars together. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Links for him are in the description. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.